Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here at our factory, this is November 6, 2020, and the orders just keep coming in. This is going to be a 47XL. It's basically the same framework, but it's got the mounting holes and everything are designated, tailored for a 37 horse Kohler. And this is a 27 horse Kohler. It's a 45 SC. We've become very popular. This is November 6, 2020. The orders just keep coming in non-stop. Last week we had a compact 45 that was we call working man's gray. We've got 2 more orders coming in for the compact 45 with that color. Seems to have attracted a lot of people. The ocean blue is our standard company theme color for Blue Baron. And this will be done very, very soon. This is a compact 45 with a 27 horse Kohler and a 45 size blower. So that's all coming together within about a week. And we had another order in for a 45 SC, which is very much similar to the same framework. It's the same identical frame. We're in the process of finishing the frame to be powder coated. And the orders just keep coming in because people recognize us for our quality, our high quality parts, the components. It's open concept, it's belt driven, tons of safety features. We've got the belt guards and everything. I mean, everything is just so nicely laid out. Bar stock fittings, stainless steel braided hoses, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, patented Access Point heat exchanger, been out since 2005 is when we started building these and selling them. We just really are very happy with what we've done with these units. Everything's maxed out. We don't go cheap on any of the parts. That's why they keep running. A solid header, all belt driven, stainless steel braided flex hose. We have a bottom heater that's a post heater that really gets up good heat in the winter months, so it gives you a little bit of a head start. We've got a water box. This pump here is will do up to 3,000 pounds pressure, and the key to all of this is that if you've got a coil system that's 3,500 pounds pressure rated, then that allows you to get working pressures much higher than other manufacturers who sell units much more expensive than this unit here, which is just under 17,000. It's a 45 SC, full instrument panel, quarter plate, thick quarter plate. Nobody makes that in the industry. This is a solid laser cut, precision cut frame base that's been augmented and increased by TIG welding and adding on extensions, thick heavy brackets for mounting in your truck or trailer. This unit is just, the idea of open concept is the way to go. And we've been building these machines the same way for 15 years. We have a great reputation, and for that reason, that's why we're doing so much business, because people recognize us for our quality, our longevity, our customer service. And as you can see, user-friendly panel. You don't have to go in there with a wrench to adjust your pressure. It's all hand adjuster, unloader. We've got all the 2 ports, so you can have one person pre-spraying or 2 people carpet cleaning at the same time. So we always put on double ports. A lot of manufacturers use single ports. All stainless, pipe, thermostatic control, tachometer, and an extra bonus hour meter, and an acrylic flow meter, and our last step injection down here. Water inlet, drain for your water box, so that when you go to winterize it during the winter months, you can have pure antifreeze or windshield wiper fluid inside there. So everything's nicely laid out. We have pullbacks to adjust your angular adjustment of your belts. Same thing on the pump. And we have pullbacks as well to give you proper belt tensioning. And so we take a lot of pride in what we do. We've got drain here for your engine oil, and safety belt guard, last step injection. We also have a drain on the other side for your pump. So when you want to empty your pump oil, everything's handy. Look at this. Then you got a little spyglass there that shows you the actual level of the crankcase oil, and you've got a dipstick for the level. Solid stainless header. Just a very well built machine. Everything here will last you many, many years of operation. We still have users out there with 15-year-old machines still running them. And like I said, we've come a long ways. In 15 years, we've sold many, many units, and all over the world. And we're noted for our access point heat exchanger, heat exchangers that go into various types of truck mounts, Steamway, Prochem aftermarkets that we build for the industry. We've gotten referrals. Jon Don has actually purchased the Prochem aftermarket heat exchangers, particularly for the 405 Legend series and Bruins. So we are prominent in the industry. Look us up. We're in the top of the search engines for our heat exchangers and our truck mounts, and we've worked very hard to get to where we are now today. And the orders just keep coming in. Regardless, this is November 6, 2020. We've been busy since last year. It just piled up on us. The orders just are coming in really very fast. And we just had another compact series 36 that just came in yesterday. And so we're really enjoying what we're doing. This is a passion. This is a commitment. I'm very focused at what I do. I don't do shoddy work, and everybody knows that. We got a ton of references and people speaking very highly of our units and our truck mounts. We have the accessory packages, the only inline filter box that actually works, that doesn't just throw the debris into the housing, but actually is an effective filter box. So look us up online at truckmountstore.com. 24/7 online store. Call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll help you out in any way, answer any of your questions. We're open 6 days a week, fully committed to this industry. Thank you.